Okay, for our blind contour line drawings, I would like you to select 3 different objects that you have there at home, and I would like you to choose at least one object that is asymmetrical. So that would be like, for me sitting in front of me here, I got a hammer, pair of scissors, a little sailboat toy. Those would be asymmetrical items. And then I have the single hole punch and a staple remover. Those would be symmetrical. And so to kind of show you where we're headed, they are not going to look very nice. Okay. So here's my single hole punch drawing. Here's my item that I was looking at, and here's the pair of scissors. Okay, so they're going to look a little messed up, and you're also probably going to notice that they might be a little smaller than what the actual object is. Okay, so I've shown you a couple examples there. I'll show you how we kind of set things up here in the classroom. So I would put the object on one side, and then I'd have my paper. And what I'm trying to do is draw the item that's in front of me as closely as I can to scale. So to scale of the size of the actual object. And then I also have to decide before I start drawing, where is the best place that I can start and stop, because what you're going to be doing, your object is there, your paper is covered up to eliminate peeking, okay? So don't look at your drawing. And so then figure out where you want to start. And so like, maybe this pair of scissors, I would start at the tip, and then as I move my eye along the object, I'm moving my pencil on my paper, okay? So I'm going to move that off to the side just to show you, and I am not going to be looking at my image, okay? I'm going to keep focused here. You should be covering up your hand, but if I do that, you're not going to be able to see with the camera. Well, maybe I can do it. Okay. So again, I'm going to figure out here, I'm going to try to draw it to scale without peeking. And if your object has negative space, like this pair of scissors is, you're going to try to do that too. Okay, so I'm going to start. All right. So again, as my eye is traveling along at the outside contour edge of the object, I'm moving my pencil. Okay, again, I'm not looking at my drawing. Okay, now I'm to the handle. I've got to go up. It's got a little curve. I'm trying to draw it to scale. I'm not looking. Okay, and now I've got to guess where the handle openings are, that negative space. So again, I'm not looking. I probably should have done that while I was up at the handle, but now I'm just going to take a guess. And it's kind of the bean shape. And then now I've got to jump over here and guess where that circle is inside the handle. And wow, there we go. It does not look anything like a pair of scissors, okay? So do the best you can, and then upload your images. Then from there, you're going to take one of them, and I would like for you to look at it with an abstract eye. Like, yeah, I have no idea what that one could be, but like, you know, turn it around different directions. So here's one that I've done in the past of a screwdriver. Okay, so there was my screwdriver. I didn't get that connected, but that's my screwdriver, and when I look at it abstractly, I think that it looks like an ice cream cone. So then from that activity, you're going to go to your sketchbook and look at sketch number 2. And so then you're going to end up putting it inside here in your sketchbook. And so you would take it, and I don't care, you could put it right there and then draw your ice cream cone off to the side, or if it's too big, you know, you could put it on the back side, whatever. And then you would draw your ice cream cone there. So for my example though, I thought that my single hole punch over here looked kind of like a piranha, and I had no idea what a piranha was going to look like, so I googled just a generic image of a piranha, and then from there I just drew a piranha, and I wasn't even looking at my original blind contour line anymore. It's just a jumping point for creativity at this point. Okay.